Hello traders, welcome once again to our YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well and everything is going on well with you. In today's session we are going to talk about how to trade trend continuation. Trading the trends in the Forex market is a popular strategy because it helps traders to identify potential entry and exit points based on the direction of the market. And I outlined a few steps we can follow while identifying and trading trends, especially the continuation, which we are going to look at today. So stick around until the end of the lesson. Okay, welcome once again. Like I said, this is Forex Base and you are with Mentor Alan. So in today's lesson we are going to discuss and understand how to identify and trade trend continuation. So we shall begin with step 1, where we identify the market trend. Identifying the market trend has two types, and one, we have the uptrend, and we use the uptrend to look for buying opportunities in the Forex market, and then the downtrend, where we use it to identify selling opportunities, and those that miss something on market structure, the trends, you can check the video in our link below, where we give a clear picture of how to identify market structure and different types of market structures and how to identify them. So we shall begin with a downtrend, and we see how to get a continuation trend. And as you can see on gold 15 minutes time frame, we are having a simple downtrend forming, and we shall begin with marking the trend and ensure price respects the trend line by touching it multiple times without violating it or breaking it. So like I've just said, when you mark your trend line, you make sure that it is being respected. Let's take an example of this trend. So when you see this this here, we can clearly see that the market was starting to go in a downtrend by breaking these lows here and pulling back to touch the trend line, and then breaking these lows here and continuing, creating a new low. So as market was creating that new low, we shall identify and mark our possible turning points. And when I say possible turning points, I will give this. I'm expecting market to pull back. As you can see, they had broken this support. So I'm expecting market to pull back and then retrace back to this area. And preferably, I want market to retest this trend line, because as I said, this is my possible continuation area to the downside. As you can see, we are in a downtrend, and when market touches this area and we get the momentum or get momentum candles confirming that the trend line is strong to keep us continuing to the downside, so I would wait for the market to pull back and retest our resistance plus coming to the trend line, and let's see how it plays. And when it confirms, we shall look for selling opportunities in this market condition. As you can see, market has reached our resistance, and that market has reached our resistance, which was formerly our support, and now it is our resistance. Let us see if it has strength to push us to the downside. And As you can see, the market is about waiting. The biggest part of the business here is to wait, and I will wait for market to test my trend line and see how it confirms. If we're selling if we get a selling opportunity, we shall look for sales. Okay, let's wait. So as you can see, I'm waiting for market to confirm my trend line, and then we look for our sales. So let's take an example. If market comes here and we get momentum, we can look for selling opportunities and then put our stop loss above the trend line a little bit, and then we shall be targeting our next possible destination. Like we'll be targeting these lows here. Yeah, let's wait. As you can see, market is going and not touching our trend line, but we can wait. For us, we are not going to chase the market. We are going to wait until market can confirm. We can confirm our trend line. So let's keep waiting. Yeah, let's keep waiting. We shall target in these areas as our next support, or our target for these sales here. If we get a selling opportunity anyways, our stop loss, like I said, will be above the trend line a little bit. So we're waiting for market to touch our trend line, and then we get some sales. As you can see, market is almost coming to our trend, and we shall wait for momentum. So let's wait if we can get some momentum. Momentum, when I say momentum, I mean at the level where we are testing, we see some selling power or selling energy, in case we are looking for sales, and then we take our sales. So let's wait and see how it goes. So as you can see, market has touched our trend line and it is rejecting, showing signs that we may get some sales, but let's wait, because the biggest business part here is to wait. Well, you can see they are rejecting buyers at the trend line. So anytime soon we get a momentum, we can sell, and as you can see, we shall have like our TP1 in this area, target 1, because it's the next support, and then target 2 in the next support. So as you can see, market has given us a momentum, and yeah, as you can see, they have given our first momentum. So let's wait and see if we can get more confirmations, and then we take our selling opportunities. Boom, as you can see, market has confirmed to us that we are selling at the end of this candle. Let's wait and see. We have entered the sales. So let's see how it plays. Boom, as you can see, we got our final TP, and as you can see, we have got a 1 to 3.38 risk to reward ratio, and like I said, stop loss is always above here, and then the TP. So that's one example regarding our trend continuation, and we took a sell because the market was giving us a sell. But like I said, to trade a trend continuation, you just have to first know which trend are you in, to you mark your possible continuation areas, and then put your trend line, and then wait for market to retrace and come back to your trend line. And then if we get our momentum, like I said, it will mean, or it shows that this area is strong enough to hold us and keep going down. So as you can see, it played out well, and I advise you to do the back testing to be sure if this can work for you too, like it works for me. And we keep learning. So as you can see, market gave us a trend line, as you can see, and then market made a lower low here, and then they made a pullback, then they gave us sales upon getting our momentum, like I showed you how we took the trade, and we had our stop loss above the trend line, and then our take profit or our target on the support levels or the next possible areas. So I think that is enough, and in the next we shall talk about trading trend reversals, and I hope today you have mastered how to trade a trend continuation. And I have put a link for the video of the trading a trend reversal, where we gave also an example of how to tackle it. Before I conclude, I have prepared something that is common and has been happening several times to many traders who trade trend continuation or who trade trends. Of a few mistakes that people make while trading trends, and one is trading off session. When I say trading off session, you see we have different sessions like we gave in our previous videos, and let's say you are trading gold, like I'm trading gold, and eventually you trade it in Asian session. In that situation, sometimes when you trade off session, you may fall into traps or consolidations or something that may make you either delay in the market or even get manipulated because you are trading a different session. And I advise, when you are trading trends, focus on the session and know the session you are trading. Like when you are a trader of gold, focus on New York especially, and then when you are trading like JPY, focus in Asian session, and so on and so on. Then another mistake is trading when you are not following the market events, when you don't know what is happening, you don't know if news are going to come, you don't know what news are affecting the pair you are trading. So focus on knowing, on top of knowing the trend, know the events that may affect your trend or that may affect your pair. Then another thing is neglecting possible turning points. Like I've given an example. When I entered this sale, I had my support here and my other support here, and as you can see, when market reaches this support, it is starting to pull back. So when you know the possible turning points in the forex market, it helps you to trade the trends and know where you may enter and where you may exit from to avoid falling out or falling into traps. So in conclusion, understanding the trend helps you to make informed decisions, and when you are trading a continuation, focus on market structure. Know if market has made a low, it has to pull back and make a high, and on a high, for the case of a sell, we are looking at selling opportunities. And when we are in an uptrend, when market creates a high on pulling back to the trend line, we are looking at market exhausting and then continue upwards in case we're in an uptrend. And I also advise and request that every trader do a back testing on this continuation of a trend strategy, and it will help you to make good decisions. And we request that you give us your feedback if what we are doing is helping you to do better and be good traders. And I wish you a good time. Thanks for watching, and kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified every time we upload a video. Ciao, ciao.